Ever wonder how some people just draw you in, like you don't know much about them, but for some reason you want to? That's not an accident. That's magnetic energy. Here's how to make people curious about you without chasing a single bit of attention. Tip number 1, say less than you know. Mysterious energy starts with this. Don't overshare, let your silence speak. People are more curious about what they can't figure out. So instead of explaining your whole life, say less, do more, make people earn access to your world. Tip number 2, be unpredictably soft. Don't be cold, be selectively warm. Give energy when you want to, not when they expect it. That balance, that tension, it drives people crazy in the best way. You're not cold, you're just controlled. Tip number 3, don't react, observe. Stop reacting to everything. When you stay calm, curious, and unbothered, people don't know what you're thinking, and that mystery is magnetic. Observe, tilt your head, blink slow, stay still. Let them guess what's on your mind. Tip number 4, ask deep questions, give short answers. Be the one who asks interesting things, but never gives your full story. Let people feel like they're discovering you piece by piece. That mystery, it builds obsession. Example, what do you think your younger self would say about you now? Then just smile and say, I'll tell you one day. Tip number 5, move like you know people are watching. Confidence makes people curious. Move with intention, like your presence is rare, like you know they're watching, but you're not performing for them. Curiosity is power, and magnetic energy, it's not about doing more, it's about doing less with presence. Follow Glow with Nini for more glow-up tips. Quiet power, subtle energy, unforgettable presence.